Alright, this one's going to be on some power door lock issues. It's on a Nissan Titan 07. From a previous install, we're helping another installer out at a different shop. That's why it's here at Digi Sports. Before, it's able to lock just like that, but had a very hard time unlocking just like that. It couldn't open like that. So our team here took care of it. Something simple. And it unlocks. If you have any questions, call us. Our shop number is 619-283-3650. And another number to reach me at is 619-564-0853. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Just on power door lock issues. It unlocks, yay!